Hello and welcome to KDP with a Twist podcast. I'm Tammie Chrin, a self-publishing enthusiast, and I'm dedicated to helping you grow your business by adding a new twist to the KDP self-publishing world. I've been branding booklets for businesses since 2018. I'm the founder of KDP for B2B, which stands for Kindle Direct Publishing for Business to Business. We'll explore how to leverage your KDP self-publishing skills by helping businesses create branded booklets featuring their content. If you're interested in starting and growing your own KDP for B2B business, you've come to the right place. I'll introduce you to a few ways that you can get paid to help businesses create their own branded booklets without keywords or ads. Yes, that's right, without keywords or ads. This is what I call a triple win. The business elevates its brand, adds value to its customers, and stands out from their competition. You get paid a setup fee for each book created, plus you can make money for every book sold. And customers feel as though they have received a gift and something they will use and love. Join me every Tuesday as I will share some practical tips and advice on how you can get your own KDP for B2B adventure started. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome to KDP with a Twist. I'm Tammie Chrin, and I am going to be sharing 2 tips with you on what you should not do that I did and made the mistake of doing. So today is the 2 tips are when you're self-publishing branded booklets for businesses and the book is already up on KDP and it's going to go live. I made the mistake of saying it was live and I told the business owner it was live. They ordered the copies and I ordered my copies and there was a mistake on the cover and they were unhappy. Now, it was an easy mistake to fix. It was just more of a printing error and we got it all resolved, but it made kind of a bad situation where the business owner was disappointed, and we don't want our business owners to be disappointed. So my tip is do not tell the business owner to order any copies before you see your copies first. And tip 2 is order at least 2 to 3 copies for yourself. I use Prime when I do it. I just lower the price, order Prime, and then put the price back up. And then I get my copies very quickly. So the business owner is really excited about getting those. So they're always on you about, is my book live? Is my book live? So 2 to 3 copies will definitely, you'll get to see if the printing came out correctly, if everything is the way you and the business owner had planned it to be. And then you can let them know to order their books. And I still tell my business owners to order 2 to 3 copies before they order a big bulk of books or send them to their clients to make sure everything is exactly what they would like. Like, subscribe, comment, and let me know if this was helpful for you. And if you want to make a reoccurring income stream, branding booklets for businesses, let me know in the comments. I'm happy to share more tips with you. All right, have a great day. Bye. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you know anybody else struggling with KDP and not making sales or even having trouble with ads and keywords, please share KDP with a Twist podcast or have them subscribe to my YouTube channel. At KDP with a Twist podcast, I will be going over lots of strategies every Tuesday, and I'll be putting this information into small chunks, so it'll make it easier to digest. And then you can get started making money with KDP for B2B ASAP. For more information, go to my website. Make sure you get on the email list so you can stay in the loop with all things KDP. My website name is my name, Tammie Chrin. That's it, TammieChrin.com. TammieChrin.com. It'll also be in the transcripts below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe. And thank you for your time, and bye for now.